Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to execute scheduled Apex in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, we need just to go simply to the developer console so we can execute our scheduled uh, Apex class. So from here, we will need just to go to the setup menu, go to the developer class or the developer console, and from there you can start uh, creating your Apex class that has some schedulers. So you can name it your uh, scheduled class or whatever, and from there and then we can start adding the methods of scheduling. And after you have all your methods that have defined, you can start simply going to the debug, and from there open execute anonymous windows so you can start executing some code. So simply you can just define your class or initiate your class or create an object from your class. So basically your schedule apex class should be this your schedule, and there you will have all your uh, executing methods or the schedulable methods such as the schedulable context objects, etc. And basically in simply you will need just to have this execute method here, and it should be set to null because you are not going to execute anything. And basically you will have all your things in the class, for example the initiator, I mean the constructor, etc., that would have, for example, schedule method that will be initiated and it will be executed. So at the end, you will need just to open log if you want to see the open log or the logs for output, and then click on execute. I don't have any schedule apex class, so that's why it gives me uh, an error, and that's it. So simply this is the way how you can execute your schedule apex classes in developer console. Thank you for watching and see you next time.